Everybody loves homemade bread, but we don't have time to make it. So why not let Cuisinart do it for you? The Cuisinart automatic bread maker has a compact footprint without sacrificing functionality. It offers a variety of loaf sizes as well as 3 crust options to choose. Try light, medium, or dark crust and select your loaf size as 1, 1.5, or 2 pounds. With 12 pre-programmed menu options, you're sure to find the perfect freshly baked bread recipes you've been wanting to try. And for a quick and easy recipe option, flip through the included recipe guide to find everything from gluten-free and artisan bread creations to jams and sauce recipes. The automatic bread maker is specifically designed for maximum efficiency with minimal usage of your countertop. The viewing window and interior light make it easy to watch your bread spring to life without escaping valuable baking heat by lifting the lid. The removable kneading paddle and bread pan make cleanup a snap. The bread maker features an easy-to-read LED display, delivers functions including bake only, and has a 13-hour delay start so your bread is perfectly timed to serve. Wake up or come home to oven-hot, bakery-fresh artisan breads right in your own kitchen with the Cuisinart Compact Automatic Bread Maker.
Since I've been using my Panasonic bread makers, I've been really kind of blown away and surprised at just how versatile they are. Now, the cool thing about Panasonic bread makers is they have a whole range of auto programs. The white model has 30 and the stainless steel model has 31. Everything from a basic loaf to wholemeal, raisin bread, brioche, sourdough. You also have gluten-free options too. So that's pretty awesome. Now you also have dual temperature sensors in here, both internal and external. And that means that the bread maker can very accurately calculate the proving time for your dough. Now, kneading is an important part of the baking process and has a huge influence on how your bread turns out. The ribbed bread pan and the unique kneading blades in your Panasonic bread maker are designed to grab, fold, stretch, and work the dough to mimic techniques used by master bakers and achieve that perfect dough every time. Now, the added bonus with this model is that you have a yeast dispenser and a fruit and nut dispenser, so the bread maker knows exactly when to add those things in at just the right moment. Now, if you are a more experienced baker, you can also use the manual settings on your bread maker, so you can choose your cake kneading or bread kneading or the amount of rise time that you want. I've been making pasta dough, pizza dough, you can make jam in here. I've even made butter in my bread maker. So many ways that you can be using your Panasonic bread maker and, you know, making some really delicious things.
Hi, I'm Kara, and this is the Hamilton Beach 2-pound bread maker. From whole grain to French to gluten-free, this bread maker makes it easy for you to create delicious homemade bread without preservatives or trans fats. Operating it is simple. Just add the ingredients, select your baking cycle, and press start. There are 12 cycles, including dough to make rolls or pizza, cake, jam, and a variety of breads. You can choose from 3 crust settings, light, medium, or dark, and the large digital display makes it easy to view and select the cycle, crust, and load size. You can choose between 2 loaf sizes, 1.5 pounds or 2 pounds. There's also a delay timer. Just add the ingredients and begin the baking process later. This way you have hot, fresh bread waiting for you when you wake up in the morning. Perfect for entertaining too. The non-stick bread pan and 2 kneading paddles are dishwasher safe, and the bread maker comes with recipes to make homemade bread easier than you ever thought possible. The Hamilton Beach 2-pound bread maker. Now that's good thinking.
Enjoy the delicious taste of freshly baked bread in the convenience of your home with the new Oster Express Bake Bread Maker. Bake your favorite breads in under an hour with the Express Bake function. Just add the ingredients, choose your desired setting, add nuts and fruits in the dispenser, and enjoy. With your Oster bread maker with Express Bake, you can even prepare cakes, yogurt, and jam. Waking up to the smell of freshly baked bread is now possible with the new Oster Express Bake Bread Maker.
Zojiruchi's flagship bread maker is the new Home Bakery Virtuoso Plus, a fully automatic appliance geared towards making anyone an expert home baker. The bread maker features 14 pre-programmed course settings that alter the kneading, rising, and baking functions based on the type of bread to be made, ranging from classic white and European breads to health-conscious options like whole wheat, rapid whole wheat, multigrain, gluten-free, salt-free, sugar-free, and vegan. In addition to loaves, the flexible Home Bakery Virtuoso Plus bread maker makes dough, sourdough starter, cake, and jam. Along with the pre-programmed courses, the machine comes with a special homemade course, which allows you to input your own knead, rise, and bake times in 3 available memory settings. This bread maker also gives you the option to choose a light, medium, or dark crust color, and features an additional heating element in the lid, which promotes even baking and browning. Like all of Zojiruchi's 2-pound bread makers, the Home Bakery Virtuoso Plus uses a removable non-stick coated baking pan to hold all ingredients, and dual kneading blades to thoroughly mix ingredients for superior results. Both the pan and blades are easy to clean and are BPA-free. The simplified LCD control panel and convenient key code make it easy to choose the course setting and set the optional 13-hour delay timer. Accessories include a full-color recipe book with 50 delicious recipes, a liquid measuring cup, nested measuring cups for dry ingredients, and a measuring spoon.